Great job is utterly useless feedback. You need to do better is utterly terrible feedback. Yet both are common. The first misses out on a great learning opportunity. What was it that made the job great? Be specific so they know for next time, and anyone else present will know what they could be doing to also do a good job. The second is guaranteed to trigger a defensive reaction in the person receiving it, at which point they're no longer open to learning. Instead, they are focused on defending themselves. So instead of that, be specific. In the past month, you have been 10 minutes late to 5 meetings that you were due to present at. When you're late, it delays everyone else, wasting their time. By simply being specific, the feedback becomes useful and actionable. By being specific, the feedback becomes a statement of fact instead of an attack. Make your feedback specific.